This is a air hydraulics. It says special because I think this is custom. They did something custom with to the unit. I have another one that's got a different serial number because this one says it's C-300, which is what I'll take it as. I think they had some special requests on this. This came from a prosthetics manufacturer. They made knees. See, it's got air supply. It's got a couple of filters, shut off, a couple other stuff, I guess. Oil filter over there. The way you actuate this, I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand. So you see these. Let's see. Okay, so basically these things, you gotta click here, and then you gotta click over here, which I can't do with a camera, so I'm gonna set the camera down for half a second. Try to set the camera down for half a second. Maybe you can see this. Let me see, maybe if I do that. Let's try it here. Now, whoa, camera fell. But that's what it comes down as. And then to release it, you hit this return ramp. And I will try and show you that again. Maybe if I don't know. I really need like a tripod. Let's try it from this angle. Nope. Yeah. Anyways, that's the unit. I'll show you that real quick if I go like. You can see the stop there. I'll give you a quick say how much the throw here is. That thing goes down, looks like 5.5 inches. That rod, on the other hand, is about 1.75 inches. And then, like I said, if you click this yellow button over here, oh, it comes out the top. It's got a Barksdale pressure switch up top. And yeah, that's the unit. It's going to have to be truck shipped because it is extremely heavy, and I might end up taking it off this stand, although I think I can probably get it on a pallet pretty safe. Strap this bottom piece down. Yeah, it's pretty top heavy, but we'll see. If you got any questions, concerns, I didn't do something right, let me know. Otherwise, thank you.